Hi! In front of me is OPPO A15s, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new food app. In my case, it will be Opera browser. If you're ready, you can click on Home button, you don't have to open your app, and go into Settings right away. Now scroll down and choose App Management. Then select the food apps and select one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I will go into Browser app and tap on Opera. Now when I go back, as you can see, my food app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!